Hello guys, what's up? How are you today? I noticed this one. So guys, in order to grow our channel, we need to set the settings into public. Otherwise, if your Facebook is the setting is friend to friend, so it will not grow your channel because only can engage your video is your friends only. So I hope it's clear to you guys. So in order to grow our channel, we need to set the settings into public so that all, not only your friends, everybody can engage to you and can comment your videos. So one more thing guys, so everybody, I'm visiting for those people that engaging my video, so I'm engaging as well. So everybody, I am visiting guys. If I not yet visit your channel, so just give me some times. As you can see this one, so too many comment. So total of 521 including my reply comment. So just give me sometimes because all I reply, they have some limit. So it might be I reach the limit, then if I got expired session, so I need to stop. Otherwise, I will get community guideline from Facebook. So in order guys, if you encounter same like what I'm encounter, if you got the expired session due to reply what's the other engaging to the other content creator, if you got the expired session, you need to stop. Otherwise, if you still continue, even you already got the expired session, you will get the community guideline violation or you will be restricted like 6 days, 7 days. So avoid. So in order to get the violation, you need to stop if you receive the expired session. So I hope it's clear to you guys. So to avoid the violations, I'm engaging anyone, all people that visiting my reels, my videos, I'm engaging anyone, but don't unfollow me. If you follow me, so don't unfollow me. Just give me sometimes to return back to you because I'm a human only. I cannot reply too many comment or too many comment on my views, and I cannot visit everybody, and I cannot visit in one at a time to all people that followed me. So just give me a time to visit you guys. So just continue comment on my video, then later on I will visit you one by one. I hope you understand. So we are all the same small content creator. So in order guys to grow together, so we need to support each other. So that's the key to success, to grow our channel here in Facebook. So everybody must equal, okay, and everybody have a chance to grow, and we need to grow together. We need to visit or we need to support each other. So thank you so much guys for all the love and support that you're giving to me. I really appreciate on that. And thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.